Hey there, welcome to the first episode of our podcast, Zuma Property Pod, where we discuss all things real estate. My name is Zuba Abraham, property manager here at Zuma Real Estate, and today we're going to be diving into a topic that's dear to many property owners' hearts, and that's maximizing our rental income. Whether you own just one property or a whole portfolio, there are always ways to increase your profits and get the most out of your investment. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and let's explore some strategies for boosting your rental income. So first off, we're going to kick things off by discussing setting competitive rental rates. One of the first steps in maximizing our rental income is ensuring that we are setting the right rent price. It's important to strike a balance between being competitive with other rentals in the area while also ensuring we're making a profit. It's a balancing act. And it's important that we ensure we are analyzing comparable properties in our areas and considering factors such as the size, the amenities offered, the building age, and any other bundled complementary services that are included in the rent price. Setting our price too high can lead to long, painful vacancies, while pricing too low can leave money on the table month over month. At Zuma Real Estate, one of the strategies we deploy to help find the right balance is to regularly review and adjust our rental rates based on market trends and feedback from potential tenants that we interview during our showings. One of the other ways we are able to justify our competitive rates is by incentivizing our listings. If it's a complimentary cleaning service we offer every quarter on us, or free utilities and Wi-Fi that's baked into the rental price, it's usually always a win. So stay creative and look for ways you can add value to the property to justify your price. And don't forget to always highlight and sell the value during your interviews and showings. Our second key strategy is enhancing the property through maintenance and upgrades. Another way to increase our rental income is by enhancing the property's perceived value. Investing in upgrades and renovations can attract higher paying tenants and allow you to charge more for rent. You can consider updating appliances, adding energy efficient features, or even renovating kitchens and bathrooms. These improvements not only make your property more appealing, but can also justify higher rental rates as well. Our third key strategy is ensuring strategic marketing and tenant screening processes are in place. In order to maximize our rental income, it's important and very essential to minimize vacancy periods as much as possible. Some of the ways we minimize vacancy periods at Zoom Real Estate is by conducting a thorough tenant screening. Securing reliable long-term tenants is very crucial to maintaining consistent rental income. Make sure your tenant screening processes include credit checks to assess the applicant's credit history and gauge their financial responsibility, background checks to catch any red flags that aren't so obvious, and also ensure you're conducting reference checks as well from previous landlords and or current employers to verify rental and employment history. Our fourth strategy centers around effective management practices, as the system that we use to manage properties are key to maximizing our rental income. It's essential to make sure we stay on top of maintenance issues promptly and avoid costly repairs down the road. Regularly inspecting our properties and addressing tenant concerns as quickly as possible usually leads to happier tenants who are more likely to renew their leases at the end of their terms with a 2.5% increase with their rent rates. Additionally, make use of online tools and softwares to streamline and automate the rent collection processes to keep track of your expenses. The fifth strategy highlights the significance of a well-planned budget. At Zuma Real Estate, we firmly believe that following a meticulously crafted budget is not only important, but very paramount for efficient management. And it's absolutely crucial to monitor not only your income, revenue, and outgoing expenses, but it's also important to allocate resources for any unforeseen maintenance needs or unoccupied periods that may arise unexpectedly. Frequent analysis of our financial records is a key practice that we can't stress enough about, that can help us pinpoint opportunities for both cost reduction and operational enhancements. We firmly advocate for financial prudence as it lays a solid foundation for effectively managing your properties with confidence and success. And that's a wrap for today's episode. Implement these strategies and watch your property's perceived value and rental income soar. We also have this episode as a blog post where we go into things in much more detail. So we'll be adding that to the description below. And by setting competitive rental rates, enhancing the property through maintenance and upgrades, having strategic marketing and tenant screening processes in place, practicing efficient management, and finally implementing a well-planned budget, you're well on your way to maximizing your rental profits and getting the most out of your investment. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next one. I'll see you next time. Bye.